Hi guys. Welcome to the Marketing Tool channel. This is my Facebook. Today I will guide you to download online marketing tools on the TikTok platform. First you go to the software MKT.vn. Next go to the software download. Pull down. We will download MKT Integration Pro software. First download the software. Next is the update. After downloading two unpacked tables, we're going to extract it into a file. We should save it to drive D, to not get Windows or antivirus software that bites data. Before unpacking into the folder, we need to disarm Windows and the antivirus software. They don't lose our data. After unpacking the MKT TIKPRO file, we will unpack Update file of Pro integration. We will extract the update file into your folder. Before we run, let's set the admin. Now everyone can use the software. And everyone can register with me to be able to sign up for a G-level account. Then we'll be able to use MKT software Pro for marketing on the TikTok platform. Hello everyone.